How to fix Facebook Reels not working? Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up Facebook, log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the Reels icon. After that, if your Reels are not loading, you can try refreshing the page or wait for a few seconds. Now, if the issue continues, you simply want to go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If it's still not working, open up your settings. Inside settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, search for Facebook and then tap onto it. And just like that, tap on Upload app, then tap on Upload app one more time. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Reinstall app. Once the cache has been cleared, you want to go ahead and simply reopen Facebook and check if the Reels are loading properly or not. If it's still not working, open up App Store and make sure your Facebook application is updated. Search for Facebook in the search bar, tap onto it, and if there's any update button, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.